Hello everyone over there at AP Design Construction LLC. My name is Charles. I wanted to shoot you a custom video showing you 3 things you can do to help optimize your website and use your assets to help pull in more clients. Now you may ask, why am I doing this? Mainly because I want to help small business owners, and I realize small business owners are very busy and may not have the time or the investment to learn about all of this optimization with Google. And also, there are tons of people who claim to be good SEO experts. I just wanted to give you 3 free tips that you can use and kind of prove myself. So the 3 tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with content. Content is everything that I've highlighted here in black. All the pictures, texts, the words behind the pictures. For example, what this is saved as. And for example, if I was going to save this image, I can see it's saved as a string of numbers. It would be better to save it as a keyword, something that people would be searching for. Speaking of keywords, a keyword is something like, let's say I was looking for deck builders in Bergen County, New Jersey. This entire phrase is known as a keyword. So if you could saturate your website with text that reflects these kind of keywords that buyers or potential clients would be typing into Google to search for you, so that Google knows to put you at the top, at the front of those searches. Google also optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page and on your other pages. By authoritative, I mean text that says who you are, what you do, and is saturated with those keywords that I just talked about. Next thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations has more to do with this area here in Google search results, where you see a map and 3 companies. Now, how do you rank higher in this area? We do it using citations. Citations are anywhere across the internet in different directories that your name, address, and phone number are stored or cited. So, for example, directories like yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, Yelp, Dexnos, LinkedIn, etc. The more authoritative directories you are in, the higher you'll rank in this area. Now, how can you beat your competitors here? Well, there are tools out there. There are very many tools out there that can help you find out which citations, which directories your competitors are cited in. And for example, WhiteSpark is one tool and Bright Local is another tool. And you can use these tools to go in there, find the directories that your competitors are in, make sure you appear in those directories, but not only that, increase the number of citations you have to maybe even double or triple your competitors, so that you remain on the top here and you keep on getting clients coming in. Third thing I want to talk about is our backlinks. Backlinks have more to do with this organic section here. If you think of the internet as a whole, as a collection of web pages with different backlinks linking to different pages, a backlink is one link on a different website that's pointing to your web page. It's directing traffic to you. Now, not all links are the same. All backlinks are the same, because let's say a ice cream manufacturer has a forum up, and on a blog post or something, they have a link directing to your website. Google can see that as spammy because you guys are not in the same niche. You have nothing to do with each other. However, if a deck builders association of, say, New Jersey has a forum and has a blog post with your site there, that counts as a much stronger link, because that is directly related with your niche and it's coming from a powerful site. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and it's a popular tool, and it's used to research websites and to look at keywords. And now I took the liberty of putting your site in, and I can see you have about 19 referring domains, giving you 20 backlinks. In the search here, I chose who did I choose? Bergendex, competitors, number 2 in the organic search. And I put them into the tool because I wanted to see how your competition holds up against you, how you hold up against your competition. They have about close to 2,000 backlinks, and they're ranking for 108 keywords. So if I look at the domains that the backlinks come from, it would be a matter of making sure that they are, well, for you to catch up and beat your competitor, you'd have to go in, make sure you've analyzed their backlinks, and get yourself even more backlinks and stronger backlinks. Remember, they're not all the same, so stronger backlinks and more of them. They don't have to match the number of your competitor. However, they do have to be of higher quality. One last thing I want to talk about let's go back to analyzing competitor. These organic keywords they rank for. Now you can see deck builders in Bergen County, New Jersey. That's what we searched for. And then the second position, 30 people a month search for that term, and they get about 5 people in traffic because of this one term. You can see here they're second. Going further now, what I would do and what I would advise your website or SEO person to do is to analyze your competition's keywords and what they rank for. Like here, Deck Builders New Jersey, 300 people search for that per month. They get barely any traffic because they're in position 38. However, let's look at a different, let's look at Deck Builders Bergen County, New Jersey. If you notice, this is without the N. Still 30 people search for that, they get about 4 people. So because of these two keywords, location based, they have about 9 people coming to the site. So let's look at another one, Deck Contractors New Jersey. About 90 people search for that. Now they don't have any traffic because they're in position 43. But if we can work on building your site, including these keywords, saturating them, and then building your backlink profile and your citations, you'd be able to rank higher for these keywords and therefore receive a lot more traffic from your website. This is your competitor's website. As you can see, they have a lot of text here on the front page, but it's definitely not 1,000. So in terms of content, I know it's possible to beat them. If you notice, their site is not secure, whereas your site is secure, so that's a big plus for you in general. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. You can hand these tips over to your SEO person or website person and have them implement them. It's something you can do right now, and you'll start to see traffic slowly increasing towards your website, and depending on your conversion rate, it means more clients for you. If you like what you've seen and you think I might have more tricks, again, my name is Charles from Warley Digital. Here's my phone number, or you could just email me, reply back to my email, or here's my email. And I'm very willing and ready to discuss moving forward and helping you build and grow. Thank you very much.